Hello friends, it's Christy. Welcome to Bately Daily Houseplants. In today's video, we are setting up the month of July in my plum paper vertical columns. So let's get started. Alrighty friends, so for my monthly highlights and my monthly spread, I am using an ever-changing plans kit. This is the July monthly. It's so red, white, and blue happy. I just love it. I love also sort of this like oyster shell background back here with the stars in this washi. I think that's really cool. I love it that it's very traditional red, white, and blue, but also kind of not. So love it. So I have both the monthly header sheet and then the highlights page sheet. And then I pulled a couple of other little things that we'll bring into this as well. So let's get started. I'm gonna go ahead and start with these circles that, you know, always give me a hard time. I'm trying to make sure I get this straight because of the lines in there. I love this little gingham here in the background of this sticker. It's really sweet. So today is Monday. It's a holiday. It's June 20th, which is being observed for Juneteenth, which was actually on the 19th, the same as Father's Day. So we have today off, which is really nice. So I'm going to go, I think I want to do red up on top here. I love this dark, dark red. It's so pretty. It's been a little while since I've used an ever-changing plans kit. I'm so excited to kind of be back to this. I also ordered a 4th of July weekly kit from them because they had the gnomes. It's so cute. You'll see that in one of my weekly spreads too. And then let's go navy blue here. I love this really deep, deep navy. It's really cool. Okay. Get that down. And then down here on this lighter, it's perfect because I won't have to highlight, or I always say highlight when I mean white out. I won't have to white this out because these stickers are like, the paper is thick enough, like you can't really see, and then this is just really pale gray, so it kind of works. There we go. Oh, I love this. This is really cool. Okay, and then for, whoops, throwing things around, friends. Let's put projects up here. We'll do this. And then things to remember, I like to put here. I can't believe it's already July. The year is half over. That's so sad to me. And then down here, I think I was using things like this month because these are the things that I'm reading, listening to, and watching this month. I did a lot of watching while I was homesick with COVID. Okay, so there's that. And then I pulled these little icons. We've got Nicole Hutch Designs for reading and watching, and then Planner Kate for the listening to. So let's see. Oh, I do have a dark red. I think I'm going to go with, whoops, I'm going to put this here for things that I'm watching. And then let's just stay with the red for my book. And then we'll stay with the red here too for the podcasts. Cool, that was easy. And then I am gonna go ahead and fill in. Oh, you know what? I shouldn't because it's only the 20th. So I have 10 days to finish my current book, which I might, because when we go on vacation next week, I probably will take it with me and finish it there. So let's leave this like this and move on. Oh, you know what? I'm going to put this down here. I just realized, friends, I'm not wearing my wedding rings. I was cooking breakfast and doing dishes and that kind of thing, and I don't wear my rings when I do that stuff around the house, so I took them off. Okay, cute. And then I feel like this is wide washi here. Let's do, I love this, so I want to, let me see. First, I want to check something. I kind of want to put this up here, but I want to see. Yeah, this is too wide to put down here, I think. I think it's too wide. So I'm going to actually, why don't I do this? Sorry, friends, I'm kind of all over the place. This is because I didn't like pre-think this out. Let's do this. Let's put this wide one because this is a single strip. I'm going to put this under here. But what I'm going to do is because I like that blue line. I'm extending it past because I want to trim that rounded corner off. So I'm going to put this like this. I'm going to stick this right below this blue line because I don't want to cover that. I like it. Let's put this down like this. And then I will trim it here. And then I will take this and trim it to get that rounded corner off. Okay, there we go. Oh, I like that. That looks good. Okay, then let's go ahead and move into setting this up. So let me put the top headers down first. I'm trying to remember how this works best. I think if I do this, and then I feel like these kind of go over. Okay, so let me put this other one down. I'm going to turn this upside down and see if I can try to get these straight and even, because the ever-changing plans, they are not removable and repositionable, so you kind of got to get it down right the first time. And I'm just sort of eyeballing. There we go. Okay, so while I have this upside down, I am going to go ahead and put these days of the week down, and hopefully I have them. Yeah, I think this looks good. I think I left enough space. Are you a Monday? Do you redate to put your start of your month on a Monday versus the Sunday? I don't. For some reason, it doesn't, like, I think it would be strange to me to do it the other way. Even though I know the weekly views all start with Monday, the fact that the monthly view starts with a Sunday doesn't throw me off. I don't know why. Oops, Thursday. I think it would throw me off to do it the other way. Okay, there we go. And then let's get Friday down. I love this. I love the colors. I keep saying that, friends. It's just so pretty. Okay. I'll get Saturday. There we go. All right, now I do want to put the date dots down, but I know the way this works is you kind of want to get these big boxes if you're going to use these full boxes. I am going to put this one down for the 4th of July because I think that's really cool. I like that. So that's the 4th. And then we have some meetings this month, and I'm going to use this to kind of mark that. So I'm going to put these down first. And then let's see, what was the other meeting I have? The 11th. We have, I'm going to use those. And then I think that's all I'm going to put down for now. Oh, if I was going to use this big washi, I should have put that down first, but I don't think I really want that there. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and put all of these date dots down. Let's see, where's the first? Here we go. I'm going to put these down and then we'll come back. Alrighty, so I have all the date dots down. I love how rich that red looks. It looks really good. Okay, so then let's go ahead and put down some paydays. And let's do this blue one. I like the blue. So we get paid on the 1st, which I'll just put right under the day there of the week. And then we also get paid on the 15th. I'm going to do this other blue here. So I think that's kind of want to bring some of that more like royal blue in. Okay, so there's that. Those are my paydays. And then I have lots of birthdays. And so I've got a couple of these little heart things. So my one friend from work, Spencer, his birthday's on the 4th. So I kind of feel like I don't want to write on this sticker for the 4th of July. So I'm sorry, Spencer. I'm not going to put your birthday down there. And then my niece, Isla, is the 6th. So I'm going to put this little heart here for her. I think she turns 4. And then I have my friend from work, Michelle. She is on the 8th. Where's the 8th? So let's give her that little asterisk. I kind of have quite a few July birthdays. And then my sister-in-law, Hope, is on the 9th. So let's give her a little star. We'll give her this blue star just to bring some blue into it. So this is Hope. She's married to my older brother. And then next we have my good friend Francis. So we'll do this other little asterisk here. Oh no, let's do this star. And he is on the 22nd. Where's the 22nd? Here we go. So we'll put Francis down here. Okay, so those are all of the birthdays. And then, like I said, we have an EC meeting here. So I'm going to put this in here like this. And then we have our Board of Trustees here, which is why it kind of screwed me up for trying to get a vacation in July. So that's kind of that. And then I think that's really all I have going on. Oh, I do have a function here on the 7th. So let's use this blue color. I'm going to call it the campaign lunch. I'm doing a luncheon for staff that worked on a political campaign, just internal staff. So this is on the 7th. So I'm going to put this here. So I remember that. So yeah, because I have something going on here for work, something here and something here, there really wasn't anywhere for me to take vacation with the family. So, and then we get into August and Emma goes off to school. So that's going to be kind of hard. Okay, so I kind of think I want to use up some of these boxes here. And I was kind of thinking, normally I don't do this. I'm wondering if this will cover, but I love this like rooster or chicken here. I'm going to actually, can you believe this? I'm going to cover up the month there, which again, something I wouldn't normally do, but I want to get all these stickers in because they're so great. And then what else do I want to put down? These are cute too. So I'm wondering, let's see. Let's put down, here's some more, like I want to use up these florals. I always like putting something here. So I'm going to put these here. And then this guy here, let's see. I wonder if I should put him just down here in the corner. I love that. That is such a great deco piece. I don't know how to use these teardrops, friends. Let me know if you use them. Okay, and then we have a bow here. I wonder, kinda, yeah, I think that's all I'm gonna do. Oh, you know what? Maybe I'll put this, maybe I'll put a strip of this down below here. Let me see if I can lift up this guy's feet just a little bit, yeah. And I'm going to stick this down here and anchor this page since I have the wide one up on top. And because I'm just trying to use as much of this kit as possible because I think it's so cool. Okay, there we go. I hate bumping up against the coil. It's so hard for me. Okay, there we go. Oh, I like that. That's really cool. Oh, I think this is great for 4th of July. Okay, let's see what else. I think that's all I need to put down for now. I still have these little guys here, but I love the way this looked. All right. Oh, you know what, friends? Wait, let me bring this in because I think I might have Easter. Do I have a 4th of July? Memorial Day, Flag Day, Independence Day. Here we go. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to stick this. Let's see. I think I'm going to put it right below here under this the little bench. I think that looks good. Okay, cool. I think that was the only holiday, right, for July? I think so. Okay, cool. I love it. Alrighty, so here's my monthly spread. Here are my monthly highlights. I'll fill all this in. Oh, you know what? We should put some like check boxes here. Let me see. I guess see, I don't know how to use these. Those are too dark. Okay, let's get some check boxes. Here, I'm going to use some of these from, let's see. I don't know if these are sized to fit here. Oh yeah, I think this will work. Kinda? Yeah. Oops. These are from Saya. I'm just going to do the 4, and we'll do another 4 over here. Cool. They're black, but it looks like a dark, dark blue, so I think it'll be fine. Okay, now I think I'm set. Oh, I love this. This looks so good. Alrighty, friends. That's it for this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe so you can catch future content on my channel. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.